Let me guess, you're a creator or a business owner on TikTok who is looking to get more views, comments, likes, shares, and even followers. Beautiful. I've got you covered because I'm going to share with you 5 super simple ways to get more engagement on your TikToks and ultimately more growth and success. Woohoo! Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm actually recording live from California today. Beautiful, sunny California. I'm here for some awesome training and I'm so excited to share with you guys 5 simple ways that you can increase engagement on your TikTok. Now, a lot of times people say, but Rachel, increased engagement doesn't equal more followers. True, in theory. However, if someone's taking the time to leave a comment on one of your TikToks, send it to a friend, share it, several things are going to be happening behind the scenes. There's a difference between correlation and causation, but basically what happens is, number 1, when they leave a comment, aka engagement on your video, they're spending more time watching it, which increases your average watch time and even potentially your percentage of people who are rewatching your videos. Those are really important numbers behind the scenes. When someone sends a TikTok to one of their friends, it means that now instead of just having one person watching it, you have multiple people watching it, which is obviously going to be helpful behind the scenes, but also oftentimes when people send a TikTok to someone else, their friends or their family, they can't help but click the link a few more times and watch it. So that means it's being watched multiple times, and this is going to increase overall your views behind the scenes. But even better than that, more engagement means you are finding the people that you connect with on this platform. And I have to say that as fun as it is to grow your views, your revenue, your following, one of my favorite things about TikTok is building a strong, awesome community of people who are just like you, the same kind of vibe, the same energy. Maybe you guys have common goals. It is so powerful and rewarding. So let's dive on into the 5 ways to increase your engagement on TikTok. Before we dive into tip 1, I have one quick question for you, and that is, which platforms do you want to learn more about on social media here on my channel totally for free? Let me know in the comments below. Number 1, ask a question. I know this sounds so silly, but you can ask a question either with the words that you say in your video, you can ask a question in the text that shows up on the screen, or even in your caption, which makes me wonder right now, is this super meta and I'm asking you questions here now from the very beginning of this video to get more engagement? Did you see what I did there? The thing is, like, most of us don't feel invited unless we are actually given an invitation. Very few people feel super comfortable just taking action steps. Some people are extroverted or trolls or are just confident people as a whole, but there are a lot of people who feel introverted or nervous or uncomfortable or just uncertain about what the process is like of leaving comments on people's videos. So when you ask a question, you're opening up the floor for comments, aka more engagement. Simple tip number 2 for more TikTok engagement, add conversation pieces into your videos. For example, you may have noticed that the walls in here are like buttery yellow, almost like a sunflower. I'm drinking Pete's coffee. Any one of these things could be conversation points. Or someone might say, I really like your white tank top. Now, these are not the strongest conversation points. We could be doing a little bit more. I'm a huge fan of doing more. So for example, as I pick out different things for my background, for my outfit, for what my TikToks are going to be about, I'm intentionally planting conversation starters or conversation pieces into my content. For example, my nails are always a conversation piece. I wear a lot of tops that get people to ask questions. When I wear lip color, where people don't know what the lip color is, that comes into play quite a bit. And of course, you've probably seen my rainbow bookshelves behind me in a lot of my videos because that is a major conversation piece in my TikToks. Gets tons of engagement and it's super easy for anybody to do. Number 3, be comfortable with saying something controversial, incorrect, typoed. Believe it or not, but sometimes people are so afraid of putting something out there with a typo or a grammar mistake or with a name that got misspelled or auto-corrected you wrong. I know on one of my videos, it turned the word niched into a very different word. The comments were wild. But the truth is, it's okay to allow those things to happen because all of those are opportunities for people to leave engagement. Now, here's the thing that I want to be clear about. You don't want to intentionally put typos everywhere. Unless, of course, you're a master marketer and you are comfortable with that engagement bait. I'm not above it either, by the way. I'll just be super honest about that. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, give this a thumbs up, and we're gonna dive into 2 more, and more importantly, I'm gonna share with you 1 resource that is a game changer at the end of this video, so do not miss it. Engagement tip number 4 for more engagement on TikTok. Work on your hooks. Your hook is the first 2, 3, maybe 5 seconds of your video, and it determines whether or not people are going to watch. Now, there are some different ways to go about this, but especially if you're in business of any kind, you're going to want to follow some of the hooks that I have studied. I actually studied 937 TikToks. Sometimes people ask why only 937, and I'm like, because I got tired before I hit 1,000. And as I studied 937 TikToks that were viral, I discovered some really powerful patterns. 53 different hooks comprised the majority of those videos. So I recommend either spending some time studying the hooks of popular videos, viral videos on your For You page, or I put together 10 amazing hooks, and I'm gonna share with you how to get those in just a second. And simple tip for getting more engagement in your videos. Now, this is an interesting one. Every time that I record videos that have clear lighting, a view of my background, as well as a full body shot, I get more engagement. And I know this can be really scary, but there's something subconsciously about recording your videos with some space between you and the camera. Maybe it's the fact that you have to use a self timer in order to make it work, but something about that view makes people automatically assume you spent more time on the video. So I'm a huge fan of using that method in order to get people to stay longer and also connect longer. So one of the things that you can do is add in the words, wait for it, or something that makes people excited for what's gonna happen. But even just the simple act of recording with clear lighting with some space between you and the camera is going to increase the engagement no matter what it is that you're talking about. Now, if you wanna grab my free hooks for TikTok, I'm gonna give you some simple instructions. If you, by the way, are enjoying this, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my tutorials about social media marketing or business. In the bio beneath this video, I share with you how to access my free community on Facebook, specifically for those who want to use TikTok to grow their business. You can check that out. And if you go into that group and search for the word hooks, you will find 10 of my favorite hooks. You can grab them, super easy. I will catch you guys later. Bye for now.